Pierce the darkness.
Lines, let's go! The left controls movement, and the right controls your attacks. Follow me! Cover
Line.
me! Nice! Solaris' skill 2 deals...
These are my hunting grounds.
Now! Well done! You've leveled up. Time to learn your second skill. Use skill 2 to slow, then use skill 1 to enhance your basic attacks. Uh-oh, more enemies have appeared. Get rid of an enemy! Wow, you're on fire! Not bad. Let's show them who they're messing with. Your skill 3 is now unlocked. Time to... Your skill 3 can damage and stun enemies from a distance. Kill! Watch out!
Pierce the darkness.
These guys just don't give up. Show them who's the boss.
Hey.
Not bad. I'll have to watch out for you in the future. Defeat the enemies and destroy their towers to claim victory.
These are my hunting grounds. Praise to the sun.
Enemy has been slain. You've got a talent for this. Your team has destroyed a turret. Wow, you're on fire.
Hey.
Triple kill!
The brightest light casts the darkest shadows.
Your team has destroyed a turret. You're a natural. Destroy the enemy crystal. Most of the tutorial has been skipped for you. Welcome to Hero's Gorge. Hero's Gorge has 3 lanes. Minions will attack along these lanes. Each team has 3 towers on each lane. After you've destroyed all the enemy towers on one lane, you can destroy the enemy's crystal to claim victory. The 3 lanes are different. The Clash lane is more suitable for fighters and tanks. The mid lane is more suitable for mages. The farm lane is more suitable for marksmen and support heroes. Get ready, we're heading into battle. marksman should go to the farm lane. Follow me. Well done. Not bad.
Chaos is
That's what
coming.
I like to see.
Blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
Towers are extremely dangerous. Let's learn more about how they work. When an enemy tower's range marker is yellow, it'll attack you if you enter its range. When you are targeted by a tower, its range marker will turn red. Get out quickly! A tower will attack the first unit that enters its range. Let a minion enter the tower's range first. It's safe when a tower's range marker turns green. When you attack an enemy hero within a tower's range, the tower's range marker will turn red, and the tower will defeat the enemy hero and take out their outer tower.
Shadows. Hype.
Rampage.
Towers hit incredibly high. Get out of there!
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Hype. Hype.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
That's what I like to see.
Godlike. Double kill. Triple kill. An enemy has been slain. Quadra kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nice! Victory is within reach. Destroy their crystal.
Hype.
Victory!